Good morning. My name is Ron Roulette. I am the STA Chair and Mayor for the City of Vacaville. Welcome to the I-680 Interchange Phase 2A groundbreaking. We wish all of you could have joined us in person, but we're definitely glad everyone can join us virtually and celebrate this historic event for the Solano County, the North Bay region, and all of Northern California. Before we begin, I'd like to recognize the many dignitaries that have joined us here today. We have Solano County Supervisor and MTC Commissioner Jim Spearing, and I believe that's all. I believe that's it with us today. So I guess we'll jump into the ceremony. First up, we have U.S. Congressman John Garamendi. The Congressman is just a little busy back in Washington, D.C., but he was kind enough to make a small video message for us. John?
Hello, this is Congressman John Garamendi. I've got a question for all of you. What is the single biggest interstate highway project in California? Well, it happens to be the I-80, 680, Highway 12 interchange in Fairfield. It is a huge project. It's taking years and years to complete this, but once again, we have a new segment. We're breaking ground today, and it's exciting. We're moving closer and closer to the completion of this extremely important part of our interstate highway system. We've got more to do, and I know we're probably going to be back for another groundbreaking, and I'll be happy to be with you. In the meantime, know that the Solano transportation agencies, the local communities, and your tax dollars are being very, very well spent to end the confusion at the interchange and to build for the future. And we're going to build better in the future. Congratulations to all.
This interchange is a vital part of the I-80 National Freight Corridor, which is designated the Lifeline Highway route and currently carries $244 million worth of goods every year. The amount of freight traffic, just freight alone, is expected to grow by 70% by 2025 and 114% by 2040. By improving the efficiency of goods moving through this interchange, the economic benefit is projected to be over $9 million just in Solano County and over $4 million for the rest of California per year. This is also a very important corridor for the Bay Area to access Travis Air Force Base, the largest air mobility in the West Coast. Next up, we have Caltrans Director, District 4, Tony Tavares. Tony?
Hello, I'm Tony Tavares, the Caltrans Bay Area Director. At Caltrans, we are excited to begin the second phase of the I-80, 680 State Route 12 Interchange Project, a design responsive to commuter needs for congestion relief, operational efficiencies, and safety. This project will benefit thousands of motorists who use the interchange every day. The I-80, 680 State Route Interchange project will provide congestion relief and improve the operational efficiency and safety for motorists by enhancing the flow of traffic for commuters and freight to move smoothly from the Bay Area to Sacramento. First, the project will replace the existing single-lane eastbound State Route 12 to eastbound I-80 connector with a new two-lane connector, adding capacity and thus improving congestion relief. Second, it will add a new braided off-ramp from eastbound I-80 to Green Valley Road and southbound I-680, eliminating an existing weave and improving operational efficiencies and safety. Third, it will add a new slip ramp from eastbound State Route 12 to connect directly to Green Valley Road, providing safe and efficient access to local roads. Caltrans listened to the Solano County community and its leaders on this important project and invested accordingly with voter-approved SB1 funds. Without SB1 funding, this project would not be possible. Caltrans has also been actively engaged in support of various other communities in Solano County along the I-80 corridor. For example, Caltrans is scheduled to begin work on the I-80 Six Bridges project in Vallejo, just north of the Carquinez Bridge. by increasing the vertical clearance on 6 bridges to improve safety of the crossings and allow oversized freight to move continuously. From all of us here at Caltrans, we want to say thank you for your continued support.
I would like to highlight that this project is being funded by SB1, and it will create over 5,700 jobs and generate over $35 million in state and local tax revenue, which is a tremendous boom to our Solano County economy. Also, this project will reduce the congestion for trucking, which will generate another $94 million in savings per year over the next 5 years. With that savings, it is estimated that it will create over 600 new jobs and $5 million in state and local revenues. The Solano Express Blue Line, Red Line, the Green Express all travel through this interchange. This project will greatly improve the reliability and the dependability of our regional transit system. Now let's hear from State Senator Bill Dodd.
Speaking of freight, the Port of Oakland is one of the busiest ports on the West Coast, but the interchange also provides access to another important seaport, the Port of Benicia, which specializes in the shipment of motor vehicles and agricultural products. Solano County is an important transportation and logistics hub for all goods movement in Northern California, but especially a product that I'm extremely fond of, our world-famous Napa Valley wines. Napa relies heavily on this interchange to get product to the rest of California, the US, and the world. This project completes the connection to the Jameson Canyon project, which was constructed by Caltrans, STA, and MTC in 2014.
Next up, we have a short message from STA board member and mayor for the City of Fairfield, Harry Price.
I'm Harry Price, Solano Transportation Authority board member and the mayor of the City of Fairfield. And what I want you to understand is that we are doing some major work with Interchange 80, 680, and State Route 12. And this project will be a big boost financially for all those jobs that are going to be coming, as well as it will be a major impact, have a major impact upon our local businesses. Moreover, I am really convinced that this project is going to make it much safer for us who are living here and for traffic going through, especially those commuters who come through here every day on their way to work. And once this project is finished, there will be great opportunities, particularly when improving public safety. Students will be able to walk, bicycle to and from school. And besides, who wouldn't want to be at Jelly Belly rather than sitting stalled in traffic?
Before we ask Kiewit to come up and lead us in the ceremonial groundbreaking, I wanted to extend our gratitude to a very special person. He definitely won't be happy that I'm doing this, but I do believe it's important. For those who have lived in Solano County a while, we understand how difficult it is securing funds for a large infrastructure project like this one today. While these projects are a result of extensive teamwork and strong partnerships, there is one individual who works extra hard to bring these projects across the finish line. We all know him as Mr. Transportation, Jim Spearing, Supervisor Jim Spearing. Thank you, Jim. Thank you, Jim, for all your time and tireless dedication to bring the funding for these projects to Solano County. And now I would like to bring up Kiewit for the groundbreaking.
Thank you, Mayor Roulette, and thank you to all the distinguished guests who spoke here today. I'm Zach Riley with Kiewit, and I can tell you that we are honored and it's a privilege to be a part of the team that is going to deliver this important project to Solano County. So this time I'd like to ask the various representatives of the agencies to come on up, grab one of these pretty gold shovels, and join us in the official groundbreaking. Please make your way forward. You'll notice that we have a little bit different setup today on the groundbreaking, and that we have some space between our shovels, so we're allowing for social distancing. So if everyone's got a shovel, all right, 3, 2, 1, break ground. Nice job. You guys are hired.
In closing, I would like to thank everyone for joining us. Your PIN cards will be sent to you by mail in the next few weeks. I would also like to thank Cordelia RV Center for allowing us to use their parking lot today for the ceremony, and all the people that were involved in making this project happen. You will see their names scroll through the end credits, so please stay logged in for that. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you back here for the official ribbon cutting. Please stay safe and healthy. Thank you.